Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna get that grill all back together, whole front end. We're gonna get the hood strut kit installed. And then we're gonna get some other things put back in the truck. Get a lot closer to getting this thing done. Next up, before I put on the grill and the lights, I'm gonna go ahead and do the hood strut kit. So we'll get these installed and knocked out. Took a little longer than expected. A little trim cut, but the hood strut kit is installed. These 3 bolts sandwich a 1/4 inch plate or 3/16 plate behind here to give it support. And then it bolts up to the top here on both sides. Then you have to trim about a finger size out of the pinch weld of the hood so it can go around that bracket, but overall, not bad. Had to adjust the hood latch and the bump stops, but shuts nicely. All right, let's pop that hood and get it back open. Nice little kit. And there they are. All that's left is to put on that grill, throw a couple gallons of gasoline in it, and unwrap it. It's ready. Back at it this morning. Went ahead and moved the bed out of the way and back over there. I also connected the negative terminal on the battery. I also put in some gas since the gas was drained when I took it out. We got a new fuel filter under there. Customer brought me a brand new fuel pump, so we stuck it in while we had the tank out. And now we can finally go ahead and unwrap this beautiful paint job. Done beautifully. You guys will get to see it more as I unwrap it. It has gold leaf and silver leaf throughout all the graphics on it that carry through the jams. Very nicely done. This thing's gonna look really good unwrapped. And we can start doing that now. We'll do the back, inside the back doors first. Then we'll unwrap the sliding rag top that's up there and the roof and work our way down. Finally, it's great seeing this thing done. Once we get it unwrapped, we'll pull it off the jack stands and lay it out. All right, there it is unwrapped. Look at that. What'd I say? Freaking cool paint job. Really nice. Flake like crazy. Like I said, it's got the silver leaf, gold leaf, pinstriping to edge it. Really, really nice paint job. Look at that. Not one bit of a problem with that paint job. All that fab work. It'll take more time if you bring something with that kind of paint to get done. You know, to be careful with it, make sure we don't hurt it. It's gonna take longer, a lot longer. Usually you do the paint last, but sometimes it don't always work out that way. So next we'll get this on the ground. Let's see what it looks like laid out, laying frame. Tucking them big wheels in the rear. This thing's gonna look nice. It's gonna look real good out in the sun. Gets washed. Beautiful paint. Got it up top, like I said, as well. Carries to the rear. This ties in as well. It comes all the way down, then ties into the sides. It's done in Miami by Daniel and Sons. Daniel and Sons, yeah. Looks good. It was done in 2020. Looks real good. I got a perfect sticker for this. I'll actually go get it right now and we'll put it on. It'll fit the paint job. First, I'm gonna get it on the floor, then we'll put the sticker on. Once I get it on the floor, we'll open the hood, we'll open the rear doors, we'll show it all completely finished. All right, there it is on the ground. Next, we're gonna lay it out. We'll make a nice little video for it. Came out real nice. This thing looks good. Once we lay it out, we'll open the hood and show you all the goodies, do a full show. All right, there it is. Looks good on them 24s. Look at that. Man, oh man, oh man. Bring them to me. Bring them all to me. They got nice paint, like I said earlier. It's gonna take a bit longer to keep it nice. Let's look at this tub work now that we've closed that sliding rag top. Customer's doing his own air management. So for now, it's the bulkheads with the T's. Y'all saw the tub work. It's good, real good. I'll show y'all under the hood as well again. There's those hood shocks again. You saw me put in. Air intake, everything's connected. Batteries in. The hold down's in. Yeah, this thing looks good. Hit that subscribe button. I've got other projects. Next is this Frontier. We're gonna bag the rear of that and get that thing laying frame. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this build. I did.